Okay, today we're going to be having a look at SAP CRM processes deployed using SkyMobile on an iPhone. So let me start our SkyMobile application by launching the Sky icon. As you can see, the SkyMobile presentation client for iPhone is developed purely for the iPhone to make use of its large graphical user interface and some of the unique navigation techniques that apply to the iPhone smartphone. So let me sign in by selecting our demo user and coming here to the main menu. As you can see, the application we're deploying here is geared around your white collar professional out in the field, managing his activities, taking his orders, and potentially even approving his workflow. The iPhone client is a rich client, as I mentioned, specifically for the iPhone to make use of the architecture of the iPhone platform. Particular navigation controls such as scrolling. If I show you here, as you can see, the presentation client is able to adapt to the phone moving left or right. We're also able to make use of unique features such as the pinch and zoom. So if I can show you that here, I can minimize the screen, I can zoom in on the screen, making use of all the features that have become synonymous with the iPhone. Today, in terms of application, let's have a look at a sales activity and we'll create an order as we do that. So in order to begin, we use the large buttons, the touchscreen interface with the iPhone to go into our activity menu. I want to see today's activities, and you can see here there are two customers that I need to visit. Before I visit the customer, I can go in, I can display their details, I can see their phone number, I can see how regularly I call them. I could even go in and display their contacts. I can call them, make sure they're ready for my visit. When I'm ready to visit them, I select the icon and go in and actually visit them. As I can see in my previous visit notes, last time I was here I got the order, which is fantastic. Today's visit, of course, has gone great, so I want to create another order. So I select the order menu, and as you can see here, the customer details have defaulted in for me. The ship to address has been maintained. I can go in and display header details. I can create the PO number. And you can see we make use of the iPhone keyboard as you would expect. I could also go in and do a credit check on this customer before I take the order, make sure there's no problems with the order itself. This credit check is doing a real-time call to SAP. So here we see the credit limit is fine, the credit exposure is under where it needs to be. So from here I go back. I could take some more text here if I wanted to come through into the order, and I go back. Now I want to add items to my order. Coming into the item screen, I can see some of the items that are available to me. I can easily change and navigate based on different product selection criteria. In this instance, I want to order one of these bicycles, so I can select that and actually go in and see, again in real time to SAP, yes, I have some stock at hand. So that being fine, I want to add some details. I can go back. I'm happy with that. He only wanted the one set of bikes. I can display a summary. Here with the summary, I've got a quantity, I've got an order price that's been calculated for me. I go back,